Do you want to know the easiest way to make over $500 online without putting in any effort at all? If you do, then make sure to keep watching this video because I'm about to show you exactly how. Speaking of making quick and easy money online, I need to tell you about this new Google exploit I found. Basically, this is a fully automated browser extension that makes real PayPal money for you. All you need to do is click the first link in the description box below and get early, exclusive access to it. Keep in mind that it's only available to the first 10 people. Anyway, let's get back to the main video topic today. All you want to do is head over to Digistore24. This is actually the website that's going to be making us money. Then click on Register Now and just sign up for a free account. If you don't know what Digistore24 is, it's an affiliate marketplace where you can promote other people's products and get paid a commission. This is one of the easiest ways to make your first $500 online. I'm going to show you the exact product to go for on this network, and it's the easiest way to actually get sales with this product. So, once you have your account, you want to navigate to the top section and click on the Marketplace. You will come to the marketplace of different products that you can promote. Then, what you want to search for is the product that we're going to be promoting. By the way, the method that I'm going to show you is also going to work with other products as well. I've been using it for a long time, and every single time I use this exact method, it just works. So, if you want to make money with what I'm going to show you right now, then all you need to do is just stick to it, use it, and you will get the results. Now, what you want to search for right here is keto. Okay, so this is going to be the product I'm going to show you how to use for this method. The product I'm talking about is called Keto Desserts. Now, it's going to have this button, Promote Now, and it's going to have my affiliate link right there. This is going to be the affiliate link that I'm going to be making money from. You can then copy it and then save it somewhere, so when you need it, it's right there. Then what you want to do is just click on this little arrow to go to the sales page of the affiliate offer. Okay, now this is the sales page. You want to make sure it's shiny and colorful just like this one. Also, make sure it's not just some low-quality book, and that it's something high quality because you want people to actually get the product. The next thing you want to do is copy the link to the sales page and go to this website called web-to-pdf-convert.com and just place it right here and hit this button. Now, what this website is going to do is convert the entire website into a nice little PDF. And that's the reason why we want to use something that's going to be colorful like this one. Now, the next thing you want to do is add your affiliate link to this ebook because it has no links at all. You want to go to a website that's called sejda.com and just upload it right there. This is a free online PDF editor that I use all the time and it works super well. Now, you want to find a spot to add your affiliate link. You want to highlight the page, click on links, and then add your link. So I'm just going to copy it and place it right here and hit enter. Okay, so now this part is going to have our affiliate link ready to go. Now what you want to do is just go through this entire PDF and pretty much edit where it would be okay for people to click on. Once you're done, click on Apply Changes, and it's going to apply the changes to this PDF document. Now you want to download this PDF. Click on Download and go to a website that's called docdroid.net. Click on it and you want to upload your PDF right here. Now you're going to see that this website does not disable your links in the PDF documents. Most websites are going to do that, but docdroid.net does not do that. And this is important because if there are no affiliate links, you're not going to be making money. So now the next thing you want to do is go to a website that's called Reddit Keto Desserts. It's like a sub-forum on Reddit, and I'm going to show you how to actually get thousands of visitors from this sub-forum on Reddit. But you don't want to be just posting this PDF right here. First, click here on Join. If you do it this way every single time, you're going to get plenty of traffic and plenty of sales, and your posts are not going to get ghosted because you're going to be doing it the proper way. Then click right here on Create Post, click there, and it's going to bring up this page right here with the title and the text. Now, here's what you want to do. you want to go to Google and search for like keto dessert recipe or anything that's in your niche. Our niche is our keto desserts. Then you want to check out the headlines of the products, not all of the products, but of the websites that are actually showing up on the first page. We don't want to be using that. We want to be using something like this: 40 keto desserts that will actually satisfy your sugar craving. But we only want to use one. Okay, so this is the one we want to go for. We want to go for something catchy, like desserts that will actually satisfy your sugar cravings. Go there, and then you're going to copy this headline and paste it right here, and call it My Favorite Keto Desserts That Will Actually Satisfy Your Sugar Cravings. Now you want to pretty much share a recipe of this dessert, so you can just find one of them. So pretty much there's like a photo gallery, and you can just go right here to get to the recipe. And you can find the recipe right here, and you can just copy and paste it into the post. Because it only has like 101 calories, that's a very good selling point that you can actually put into the headline. Because the fewer the calories, the better in the fitness world. Then you want to type, "Hey, just wanted to share my favorite low-calorie keto dessert." But then you want to also put the calorie breakdown at the bottom. So people are going to scroll down because most of them are not going to read through the entire recipe. But if you announce something is at the bottom, they will check out what is at the bottom. So just like with me, if I'm going to announce there's a hidden bonus at the bottom of the video description, you are going to check out the bottom of the video description, but not the entire video description. Then you're going to scroll all the way down, and then right below the nutrition and calories, you want to put, "I found this one in this ebook." There are like 50 more of them that you can check out right here. And then you want to highlight this part and add the link to the Doc Droid where it's going to be your ebook. And if you just want to post it and check it out, this is going to be the post. Now, this is it. This is how it's going to look like. And this is the cool thing. This is a value-first product. The free PDF is going to be doing the selling. You can do this for any product, any niche, and it's always going to be working because you are literally providing value first. Then you are recommending a PDF that's selling a product that people are interested in. Otherwise, they would not be reading this post. And because they just randomly stumbled upon it, they are most likely to purchase it. And you can make anywhere from $5 up to even $1,000 online by doing this. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you learned something new today, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and comment any thoughts or questions that you might have. We love hearing from you guys. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be alerted every time we upload a brand new money-making method that you simply do not want to miss out on. See you in the next video.